everyone, it's Jenny from Poags, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about custom design. Custom design can mean a lot of things. It can mean creating a beautiful new custom engagement ring for your special someone. It can be recreating a piece that you once had that's lost. It can be designing a new piece from pieces you've inherited. Custom can mean a lot of different things, and we wanted to answer some questions about how the whole process works. Process for custom design is really fun. There's lots of different steps to it, and it's one of our specialties. So how the process works is we basically start with a chat. I'll have you come into the store, you'll sit down with me, and we'll talk about what pieces are special to you, what you want to see in your piece, all the different elements, and then we'll start kind of designing the piece that you want to have. Now that we've had our chat and we figured out exactly what we want to do for our custom design, the next stage is actually creating a CAD render. We are going to have our designers sit down with all of the elements of our piece, the different gemstones we're going to use, all of the different things we want to incorporate, and we're actually going to create a computer render of what the design is going to look like. It's going to involve a technical shot, so it's going to show you all the measurements, all the details, and it's also going to have a lovely painted shot as well, where it's going to show you some more fine detail of the piece in a little bit more finished component. Once the render's approved, the next stage is very exciting. The designers are going to make a wax of the piece. It's going to then be built in its different components, in the different metals that's needed. We're going to set the different gemstones that we need to set, do all the finishing, sanding, polishing. So quite an exciting time in the life of the piece. The custom piece is totally designed by you and driven by whatever elements you want to include. Some things to consider with your custom piece are things like, what metal do you want the piece in? There's definitely different options in precious metal. There's gold, platinum, and palladium. There is also an option in some cases to actually recast using your yellow gold. So definitely ask us about that. Some other things are the gemstone. We can absolutely incorporate diamonds or any kind of color gem that suits you. If there's a birthstone that's special, or if there's any gemstones of yours that you want to use from heirloom pieces or things you've picked up over the years on travel, anything that's going to make your piece extra special. Some other elements to consider in our custom design piece are our budget and our timeline. The budget of the piece will definitely vary based on what we want to include and what we want to see in the piece, but definitely something we'll go over in our chat and be able to determine quite readily at the beginning of the process. And the same with timeline. Timeline can vary depending on what the piece is going to entail, but again, something we can definitely go over in our chat to work with any timeline that we need to. So I hope this video helped answer some questions about custom design. If there's anything else we can answer, feel free to give us a call or check us out on Facebook or on our website. Custom design is definitely one of our specialties and something we love to do. So we are happy to work on any project that you have. Thanks for watching, and this has been Jenny from Poags.